Hello, Kim. My name is Stephen Douglas. I'm the Internet Manager over here at Pacific Auto Center. You had inquired online about a sold Dodge. We specialize in gas and diesel trucks out here at Pacific Auto Center. We usually have between 250 to 300 in stock at any one time, so give us the chance to earn your business. Our phone number is 909-429-1100. Again, 909-429-1100. Come out, pick out your truck. We take great care of them. We want to earn your business. Drive it home. Give us a call, set up an appointment, 909-429-1100.